Hey, my name is Caitlin Dayton and I'll be teaching first grade. The teacher objective for today is the teacher will read one and two syllable words with short and long vowel sounds with common spelling patterns. The GLE for today is ELA1E1. The teacher will learn identifying and reading words from common word families by using flashcards. The purpose of today's activities is to teach students how to read one and two syllable words with short and long vowel sounds with common spelling patterns. Yesterday we learned identifying and reading words from common word families. Today we will learn how to read one and two syllable words with short and long vowels with common spelling patterns. Tomorrow we'll be learning how to recognize base words in their affixational forms. By the end of today's activities, the learner will be able to read one and two syllable words with short and long vowel sounds with common spelling patterns. The motivational activity for today is I've brought a few items from home and I'll put them into a small bag and I'll make two boxes, one that's labeled one syllable words and the second one labeled two syllable words. I'll get a student to come up and draw from the bag, and whenever they draw the item, they'll have to say the name out loud and tell us if it goes in the one syllable box or the two syllable box, and then they'll place the item into the box. A couple of example items is a pencil, teddy, ruler, marker, crayon, pen, cup, bell, car. The pencil would go in the two syllable box, teddy would go in the two syllable box, ruler, marker, crayon would also go in the two syllable box, and in the one syllable box I would have pen, cup, bell, car. For my activity today, I'll be passing out dry erase boards, dry erase marker, and an eraser. The students will stay at their desk for this activity, and I'll call out words, and I have a few flashcards of the words I'll be calling out. Let's see. The first word I'll call out is bake, which is a long A sound. The students will be asked to name a word that has a long A sound and has the same ending as bake, such as cake, rake, or lake. The second word is dice, which is a long I word, vowel. A few things that go along with dice would be mice, rice, ice. The next word would be phone, which is a long O. A couple words the students could do with phone would be bone, cone, gone. The next word would be hat, which is a short A. A few words that will go along with this would be bat, rat, fat, cat. The next word would be bet, which is short E. A few words that will go along with bet would be vet, jet, or set. The last word I have for right now would be run. It would be a short U. Run, a few words that would go with this would be gun, bun, or sun. For my closure activity, I would get the smartboard out and have a few words listed on the smartboard, and we would decide how many syllables are in the word. I have 1, 2, and 3 syllable words. On this activity, the students will either be asked to clap the syllables, such as teacher, teacher, which is 2 syllables, or they can take their finger and place it underneath their chin, and however many times their chin drops when saying a word is how many syllables, such as teacher. My jaw dropped twice, so there would be 2 syllables in that word. And I'm going to go see if I can get the PowerPoint going. Okay. The first word is elephant. Elephant. That word has 3 syllables. The students could also put their finger underneath their chin and say elephant. Their jaw drops 3 times. The second word would be banana. I clap my hands 3 times, and that means there's 3 syllables in that word. Also, you could place your finger underneath your jaw and say banana. Your jaw drops 3 times. Third word would be apple. There's 2 syllables in apple. Apple. Next word would be phone, and there's only 1 syllable because you can only clap once during the word phone. Phone. Rope is also 1 syllable word. Rope. Tractor is our next image. in this word, tractor. Therefore, there are 2 syllables. Our last word would be octopus. Octopus. And then again, you could place your finger underneath your chin and see how many times your jaw drops. Octopus. That's the end of the slideshow. I think the students would enjoy the clapping better because it makes noises, and the jaw is kind of complicated. Let's see. And for the homework, the learner will take home 2 worksheets on short and long vowel sounds to complete and bring back the following day. And the early finishers, the learners will be provided with a worksheet to complete and color. Special needs, the special needs students will be giving long, short vowel sound flashcards to practice with. I'll provide the flashcards. Remediation, for the learners who do not meet the objectives, they will be put in a small group and receive additional help. Enrichment, for learners who met the objective, we will be using a computer to play a game and pertaining this week's activities. And that's my lesson for today. Thank you.